Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 14ALC05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop gets super hot, it can be quite concerning. This overheating usually occurs due to dust accumulation inside the device, obstructing airflow, or failing thermal paste that needs to be replaced. If left unaddressed, this can lead to permanent damage to the internal components, potentially shortening your laptop's lifespan. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by turning it upside down. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel. Keep them safe, as you will need them later. Carefully insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the panel is removed, you will see the cooling system, typically consisting of a fan and heat sink. The fan is often the culprit behind overheating. Locate the fan and inspect it for dust buildup. If it appears dirty, use the can of compressed air to blow out any debris. Next, check the thermal paste on the heat sink. If it looks dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. To do this, disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard and then unscrew the heat sink from the motherboard. Carefully lift it off. Clean off the old thermal paste from both the heatsink and the CPU using a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU in the center. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it sits evenly, and screw it back into place. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard. Now, before closing the laptop, double-check that all cables are secure and that no tools are left inside. Gently align the back panel and press it down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your laptop from overheating in the future, regularly clean the vents and ensure it's used on a hard, flat surface to allow proper airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad for added help. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.